Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a Chinese-styled sesame paste konnyaku noodles. This recipe is super simple and is perfect for the summer as it requires no cooking and is weight-friendly. Konnyaku, made from a potato-like plant called konjac, is consistent mainly of water and fiber, which is why it contains only 7 calories per 100 grams and is a must-try for anyone on a diet. When stirred in the savory sesame sauce, this dish will be a treat for the taste buds and the soul, leaving you feeling full and satisfied with just 300 calories. So why not give this recipe a try? The ingredients you'll need are 200 grams of drained konnyaku noodles, 2 tablespoons of sesame butter, 50 grams of chicken breast chunks or bean curd if you're vegetarian, 50 grams of cucumber cut into strips, 3 grams of chopped cilantro, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black vinegar, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, a quarter teaspoon each of salt and sugar, 2 cloves of garlic, and 3 tablespoons of water. To start off, soak the konnyaku noodles in some warm water and then set aside. Meanwhile, let's make the sesame sauce. Mix together the 3 tablespoons of water with the sesame butter to dilute it to a thinner consistency. Now add in the soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, and salt and sugar. Mix together thoroughly. Using a garlic press, add in the garlic, or you can simply chop the garlic into small pieces. Mix together and set aside. Drain the konnyaku noodles. Add in the chicken or bean curd and the cucumbers. Lastly, pour in the sesame sauce and top with some cilantro. Stir and enjoy! I hope you guys have found this simple recipe tasty, helpful, and enjoyable. Thank you guys so much for watching and please remember to like and subscribe. Happy eating! Bye bye!